Do you need an activity for a rainy day? Try making a Strawket or a paper rocket that is launched using air pressure. Strawkets is a great activity to do with a group of children of all ages. It not only teaches complex ideas of gravity, drag, and lift, but also develops teamwork and problem-solving skills. With a stage-by-stage description, the activity will be easy to complete in a short amount of time, while providing a valuable learning opportunity. To get started, we'll go through the materials that you will need. First, you will need a half sheet of paper to create the body of the rocket. You will need 3 to 4 note cards for the fins, 1 pencil for designing the fins and forming the body, a drinking straw for launching, 1 cotton ball for safety purposes, 1 pair of scissors, tape, and markers and crayons for personalization. The first step in forming a rocket is to develop the body. To develop the body of the rocket, you will use your half sheet of paper and pencil. Begin by wrapping the half sheet of paper around the pencil. The tighter that you can get this, the farther the rocket will fly. When you are done rolling up the paper, secure it with 2 to 3 pieces of tape. Remove the pencil and fold one end of your body over and tape it down. Once the folded end of the body is securely fastened, take a piece of your cotton ball and put it on the tip of the body. This is for safety purposes in case it was to be launched into someone. After the cotton ball is securely fastened, this will complete the formation of the body of the rocket. Step 2 of designing your rocket is to design and install the fins. Once the body of the rocket has been constructed, you need to determine the number and the shapes of fins required. To do this, draw and cut the fins out of 3 to 4 note cards. You can do any shape and size shown here. An easy way to install the fins is to create a flap on one of the edges of the fin. Fold one side of the fin down and then use this flap to tape to the body of the rocket. Securely fasten your fins to your rocket. They can be placed anywhere along the body, and again, you can have any number and size of fins. Once all of the fins have been completed, your step 2 for designing and installing the fins is complete. Once the body and fins of the rocket have been formed, you can move on to step 3, decorating and personalizing. These added details will enable the user to determine which design flew the best and to compare each difference, which will be key observations for the redesigning stage. To begin decorating and personalizing, you can use crayons or markers. forming the rocket is launching. To launch, we will use a drinking straw. First, you can simply place the straw inside the body of the rocket. To launch, just simply blow on the rocket. Now, to increase the efficiency of each breath, you can use 2 straws with different diameters. Place the larger straw inside the body of the rocket. Next, hold onto the smaller straw, inserting it inside the larger straw. You will then blow on the smaller straw, which is the green straw in this case. Again, this decreases the friction of the straws and it will cause the rocket to fly farther. Step 5 of forming the rocket is redesigning. After launching the rocket, observe the flight and interactions affecting the distance, such as weight and drag. Alter the design to optimize each variable, such as fin size, number, shape, and placement, while maintaining a stable and controlled launch. In our example here, you can see that we added wings to our previous rocket. We can launch this and determine if it's too heavy or if we need to remove some of the fins. Keep doing this until you optimize your distance and control of the rocket. This completes the steps of forming a Strawket. I hope you enjoy.